Hi everyone, we are here staying at Grand Hyatt Dubai and this is our room. Requested for high floor and this is the room that we are assigned. So it's actually 1641. Let's go take a look. Okay, so when we go in, there's this sliding door. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's motion sensor, so it's actually a safe. Oh my god. What in the world? This looks so pretty. Okay, this is so fancy. Did anyone leave anything inside? Oh no leh. Okay, anyway, this is like the most fancy safe I've ever seen. Okay, what else is there? Oh, I guess it's like lots of cabinet for you to put your jewelry or whatever. And then there's like ironing board with iron and hanger. Oh, luggage space. Okay, so this is like the walk-in wardrobe area. Let's check out this room. I think this is a toilet. Ta-da! Okay, so when you walk in, you see this like area where you can shower if you want to be normal. And if you want to be bougie, you can shower here. Look at this like fancy ass bathtub with like gold details. And hold up. Let's just look at the soap, yeah? Look at the brand. How fancy is this? Pretty fancy, huh? Okay, and then there's like 2 sinks, and of course you need some fancy gold details again. And the next part is quite interesting. Oops. Okay, so this is obviously a toilet bowl. I'm sorry? Am I missing something, or am I just too poor to know what this is? Is this a sink? Well, why is it so low? Or is it for kids? Because this does look like a tower for a sink. Well, in case you need help doing your business, you can call for help. I don't know, I guess. Everything here in this bathroom is like so fancy. Gold trimmings and like marble walls. Huge mirror. Hi! Okay, and there's this like leaf detail. Okay, let's go check out the rest of the room. Hi! Okay. So this is a huge TV, and then they give us like 6 bottles of water. Bound to not go thirsty, yeah? Big mirror. And then this is the bed. Okay. Let's see what we have. We have some fruits over here, a cake, best wishes cake, and a little note. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's put it back. Alright, let's go see what else there is. There's a sofa here, and if you drink coffee, there's a coffee machine over here with Nescafe. What's up there? Oh, yeah, some black tea. And Earl Grey tea. What else? Green tea, I guess. Oh, it's peppermint, pomegranate, green tea, and ginger lemon honey. Okay. Is this for ice? Yeah, I guess this must be for ice, in case you want ice. And there's a flask for hot water. Oh, we have 2 more bottles of water. And then we have some capsules for coffee. I don't drink coffee, so it's too bad, but anyway, they have capsules. And then over here they have your milk. Yep. Okay, so let's take a look at the view. Look at this view from the 16th floor. Whoa, my gosh. So we don't see Burj Khalifa from outside, but we see the Dubai Creek, which is over there, which is like natural. And we also see the swimming pool of Grand Hyatt. It's super big, and there's also an indoor pool actually. If you see over to the far end, they're actually working on this water park area, so that's quite cool when it fully open. I think it should be open soon. So it's actually end of May 2025. I think it should be done within 1 or 2 months. Yeah. So this is our awesome view from the 16th floor. Yeah, so I think it's pretty cool. And we redeemed this room using our points that we earned when we booked our wedding banquet at Andas in Singapore. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this room tour at Grand Hyatt Dubai, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!